Good morning, guys, and it's already Thursday, April, April 13, and we're currently at Tasmania Boulevard in for a morning drive. It's rush hour in Cebu, but so far Tasmania Boulevard is light traffic here. Still, people are back to work, and we just had a long weekend. Probably in next weekend we'll have another one, I think, at the end of the month. Oh yes, because it's Labor Day weekend, Laboracay. A lot of things are happening on those dates. They have the Laboracay, because Labor Day in Boracay. Imagine, yes, people go there, making events. But also for Boholanos, I know it's gonna be your month, guys. Mga sano, mga kababayan, mga sano diha. Oh, it's fiesta season, especially in our town, Jagna. By every day is a fiesta. I mean, there's a fiesta every day in Jagna. So if you just say in Jagna, May 1 to 31, May 31, yeah, May 1 to 31, there's a fiesta somewhere out there, because each barangay, each even sitio have their own fiestas. So in Bohol, yes, it's fiesta season very soon. So pagsugod siya, it will start with a long weekend. So perfect kayo, especially katong mga manguliay diha, mga taga-Tagbilaran, fiesta lang May 1. So it's perfect for them. Yeah, fiestas, lingaw gina fiestas. I mean, they always say na pwede na kamusod sa mga bahay, di ba, na strangers or nasa manghagad ni mo man away nga unta, even if you don't know each other. They want guests. Yeah, I don't know, in this time na aghapon na. Pero ikaw sa tingali, mauwaw sa tingin kung huwag yung kay kaila, maadto lang kaya mga unay ka. But yes, wala, it's possible. Wala. Basta kay bawal lang ka schedule sa fiesta. Kay usahay ang fiesta is actually could last at least 3 to 4 days na. Ante, Despiras, Pista, Liwas is after. So it could be kuan, sometimes Despiras pa lang, Bisperas na sa kuan, Despiras na tawag. But yeah, the day before the fiesta, people are I mean, feasting na. The food is there. There's food already being prepared. Mas normally 2 days before, mag-ihaw na lang sila baboy, because the day before magsige na sila luto. Normally kung katong yung dagkong the ones who celebrate big ones. But sometimes ang uban on the fiesta proper, yun sila muluto kadlawon pa lang na ginay uban. There are people who are known to be really the cooks. Namang manluto ay yung ba, kusinero, pro kusinero, professional kusinero na bunluton sila. I mean, they are paid to cook for fiestas. So the mga specialty tingnan nila, of course, mga saban adobo, mga adobong uga, they have maybe humba even. So may normal fiesta fair, mga ginamay, linapad man sa one time I was talking to a taxi driver na about fiesta ba na we don't eat vegetables as much. Mga Pinoys, I mean, here in the Visayas ba, I mean, if you are in a fiesta, I think the main vegetables is mga lamas, spices, of course, mga onions, vegetables, onions, garlic, but the main vegetables would probably be potato and carrots. That's the normal thing you'll see only. Like naana sa ginamay, naana sa one, but nobody will say, magpitchay kapag pista, kangkong. I don't know. I don't think you'll cook sinangang, sinigang. Probably repolyo. Yes, repolyo would be on in a pancit, or kung namoy nilatan diha or pochero kung magsabaw mo. Yeah, kung na magsabaw. Oo. Although some other places also depende sa meat na ilang kung anon. Because in some other provinces ilang main meat is carabao. Kabaw. I didn't know that even. I didn't know. I'm sure I've eaten carabao. Mo din ang feeling ako sa unang gahi ng baka diri. But it's not baka, din ang kabaw na. And I'm sure if you've lived in Bohol, probably nakatakaw nakakabaw eh. Kabaw, kanding. Sometimes wala. That's some good traits sa mga Bol-ano na muuli gina sila sa ilang fiesta. Di ba? Kita, we're gonna go straight here at Hongkera. And then exit as Colon, going towards kuana. Going towards reclamation area. Di ba? One kuya kay tag-access road ron ay. We didn't want to pass Osmeña Boulevard because of the BRT construction. The alternative route would be Ramos, and here in Hongkera. Pwede siya mo turn left and turn right dito dapit sa paduwa ka ng Dayas. But there's no point kasi just go straight. If you wanna pass by Parian, dito ka agi. But if you just wanna go straight here, pwede na gud kaya we're na side. We're in the Hongkera side of the USC main campus. Manang kuan na daghan kay kuan ba sa Bohol, daghan kay nagsuito asang fiesta. There are people like fiesta encyclopedias there. They know where the fiesta is. I don't know, I think nindot na himo unting app website. There was a time I was thinking making an app about it na all about fiesta. Diba? Fiesta para tultulon ka sa fiesta ba. It's like a Fiesta surfer app. Why not? Kung naguna mo, hindi mo Fiesta surfing app. But para rin sa mga mamistahay noon, it's a different kind of culture. If I were single, probably I would make an expedition in Bohol and try out the Fiesta life. Diba? Kung single ako, nakoy motor, and then i-review pa itong pagkaon niya sa itong ipamistahan. But no, patyon ka kung may bad review. Of course, you can't give bad reviews on free food. Para lang nako ba? Yeah, free food. That's why some restaurants because yan sa nilang mindset, yeah, they expect na you won't give bad reviews, but there are really people who would. Pa-review kung kunin mo, I mean, why can't I be honest, diba? Nasa ingana. So I'm not saying that's the rule, but I can't go on. But ako lang ang personal policy, but it could be different for someone, diba? So padaplin ta diri because mo left na sa kusalim ng mga tao normally. So money. So ito guys, Sano baby. So Jesus, grabe adlaw. Pwede man din rin. Panaplin yung tanan pero ako salim. Di ko magkakusalim. Dari na lang ko. Yeah, going towards Colon lang ito itong theme. Colon. The oldest. Ang lisod lang yung time man na mo agi ka dali sa Colon is medyo I don't like the kuan because it's against the light. Nindot dito yung hapon niya. When the sun is at our back. Pero mana. So anyway muna, when was the last time na kapamista mo be? Diba? I'm always impressed with the people, the old timers who love fiestas, because not only they know the place where the fiesta is, but also they know who's the patron of each place. Diba? Sometimes karon na kay mamista na kaila, they don't even acknowledge the patron. Ang patron sa lugar, patron saint. For example, September 29, I know that's gonna be San Miguel. San Miguel Day, and I think celebrated in many one. San Miguel Arcangel is one popular patron saint because it's, you know, Saint Michael who vanquished Satan, no, diba? So muna, that's all September 29 in our town in Jagna mo nilang fiesta. Yeah, pero I think in Cebu here it's Argao, and there's Iligan as well. So muna, lingaw kay na nakuan ba na people should also acknowledge, kung mamista man lang ka, acknowledge the kaning ang patron, oh, di ba? For example, the Cebu, di ba? Of course, Santo Niño, oh, di ba? Fiesta Senior. Oh, sa Guadalupe, Disembre na, di ba? Sunod-sunod pa na mga Guadalupe, na Karkar, rin sa Regla, sa oh, di ba mo na magkuan-kuan na lapu-lapu, yeah, mo na. So marag imong i-acknowledge yung kuan ay dapat ma-acknowledge din sa ninyo ang santo. So makalimutan bitaw na. So it's not a Friday, so sarado ni Dana on a Friday, but now you can freely pass through, but mana kuan lang, turn left around the river and tama diretso ta, but no reason at all to go straight na mga carbo na sa. I think you've seen carbo na recently, fairly recently in my drives, diba? Itong mingaw ang daan, ito talapit dito. So mauna, you want free food, pwede fiesta, kailangan lang ka medyo baga sa kagnaw mo sahay, or friendly. If you're super friendly, you get invited, diba? And normally in fiesta di lang sa nakaon sa probinsya, ha, sa says food lipay yun ng mga, I think, beer and liquor companies kay San Miguel, San Miguel Beer, Grande, Red Horse, San Miglite. Maybe sa probinsya na pa Gold Eagle Beer. Of course, fiesta man, of course, Tanduay, Emperador Light, Añejo, nagay untay mo shoot gihapon Ginebra na panahon na, o diba? So yeah, it's gonna be the peak season sa ana mga kuan ba, especially to the provinces. Daghan ginas halin ana fiesta ya kanang muuli kag fiesta sa ang lisod lang sana if you're, you know, gikan kag abroad, uli ka, so feeling ginas imong mga childhood friends na kuan ka, bilyonaryo ka, you made it big. You have to be magpiesta gyud ka, unsa man ka, kung gusto ko mag-asal ba ka, unsa mag-ihaw gyud kag baboy, because they expect you to be the bangka. No, di ba? Paimnon pa ni mga amigo. Na not only people from abroad, I mean, bisa for example, nagtrabaho lang sila sa Manila, oh, di ba? Di good kuan. Nagtrabaho na ka ba? Maybe professional or even galing guard sa Manila or some even katabang, pero kumuli sila dunya, oy, wala. I mean, dunya ang expectation sa mga kuan, usahay, sa puton ba isa ng tao na nga na ba, ang expectation sa kuan kay abi gikan kag Manila or gikan ka somewhere, kuan ka, adunahan ka kung pesta ka. What if kuan na din yan to ka dito kay mamistar sa day ka, diba? But yeah, it's a great, you know, the fiesta is also a great show of Filipino hospitality na, you know, mo abi-abi tas mga guests mo mapakaon ta, and that's, I think that's mingon Filipino hospitable. The fiesta is one great testament ana na kanang how Filipinos celebrate, how we, you know, invite guests, how we treat guests. We always give, you know, give our best. Kung magpiesta ka ba, you always give your best, the best dishes, delicious dishes. I don't know, magpainasal ka, lechon, kung wa man mo lechon, pero magluto mo humba, magawas ng mga heirloom dishes or dishes that people enjoy. Ito bisa ka na bang adubong kagumgum na pinadagko, baka nang ana, baka nang mga power kayo, bisag sinugba lang na may ganang nag-ihaw yan din, sugban yung atay, sugban, diba? But yeah, Maraman ako ganahan ako mamista. Pero yeah, but it's also gonna be fun makakita ka unsa ka kuan gana bang lingaw ng fiesta ba na how the frenzy or the feeding frenzy. Diba? Because last time day na fiesta ko was in Boholano. I think I should come out with those videos there. A few weeks ago I was in Boholano for their fiesta for St. Joseph, their secondary patron. Lingaw sad man lami isa tilang fiesta feels. So, mana. Dili na ta kutob because you know anto na ta taas na tong video, and I know a lot of you di maabot rin na part. Pero thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. O kung namoy ganang istorya that you missed in the Philippines or in Cebu in particular, let me know and we can talk about it, you know. And if ever nabot nyo man in a part, let me know your fiesta experience ba, ganang mga funny fiesta experience or awesome fiesta experience, or like nakakita kasi mong future wife sa fiesta dito mag-ila-ila o guban pa. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow once again. And this is Carlo Olana here in Cebu City, April 13, 2023. Amesta niya tapuhon. Bye bye bye.